We have algebraic fraction and we have to reduce this fraction to the lowest terms. So first, we know that we can reduce when we have multiplication. We have 3 times s squared minus 1, and in denominator we have 1 minus s. So first, what we can do here, because we have s squared minus 1, we can rewrite our expression in parentheses that this is s squared minus 1 to second power over 1 minus s we have in the denominator. And now we see that we have here difference of two perfect squares. So let me remind you of this formula. When we have a squared minus b squared, this is equal a minus b times a plus b. So in this example, our a is equal c and b is equal 1. So we can rewrite our numerator and we will have 3, and in parentheses we will have now s minus 1 times s plus 1 over, and we have 1 minus s. Now we see that we have almost the same expression in the numerator like in the numerator. We have only s and negative s, negative 1 and positive 1. So if I factorize negative sign in the numerator, let's see what will be. The numerator we have to copy s minus 1 times s plus 1. And now if we take negative sign before parentheses, we will have negative 1 plus s in parentheses. Why? Because negative and negative give me positive. So we have positive 1, and negative and positive give me negative. So this is exactly the same what we have here in the numerator. Here is like invisible 1. Negative 1 times negative 1 give me positive 1, and negative 1 times positive s is negative s. Is still the same. So now let me copy again our numerator. And now negative sign we have in the numerator, and we can change. First I can put positive s and we have minus 1. Now we see that we have exactly the same expression in the numerator and in the denominator in the parentheses, s minus 1, s and s minus 1. So when we divide will be 1. S minus 1 divided by s minus 1 is 1. So this is equal 3 times 1 is 3, and in parentheses we have s plus 1, and in the numerator we have 1. Negative 1 times 1 is negative 1. So this is equal, when we divide 3 by negative 1 will be negative 3, and parentheses we just copy s plus 1. So now you can multiply negative 3 times s is negative 3s, negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. So this is my solution.